Select the layer in Affinity Photo, then go to Filters and down to Noise and then Add Noise. Go for Gaussian, Monochromatic and set it to 100%. Go to Filters, Blur and Motion Blur. Set the rotation value to 90% and set the radius to about 40 or 50. And go to the Filters menu and down to Sharpen and Clarity. Set to 100% and click Apply. Apply it multiple times, maybe 4 or 5. Go to the Layer menu and New Adjustment Layer and down to the bottom and Threshold. Change the setting of the threshold to the value you want. I'm going to go with about 32% and close the panel. Go to the Layers panel, go to the blending modes and run through them. Go with Multiply, Colour Burn, Lighten, Saturation, Negation, Average, etc. Once you're happy with the result, go to Layer and Merge Visible. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know. Leave some comments below. Thank you much.